Margarine and liquid butter alternatives may fill similar roles in the kitchen, but their performance can lead to very different results, shaping how a dish cooks, how it tastes, and how efficiently the kitchen runs. Here's how to choose the right one for the job. Margarine is a blend of fat and water that forms a stable structure, helping it hold its shape and melt more gradually. This makes it especially useful in applications like baking or griddling, where consistent texture, even incorporation, and controlled melting are important. Margarine is also available in liquid form. Liquid margarine can be an effective substitute for butter in applications where structure is less critical, like sauces. LBA, or liquid butter alternative, is oil-based and typically comes in a ready-to-use liquid format. That makes it easy to pour and spread, especially for sautéing, grilling, pan coating, or finishing, where fast, even coverage matters. Those differences can have a real impact in the kitchen. In the right applications, LBA can support faster execution by cutting down on handling time and making it easier to portion and apply during high-volume service. That can help reduce mistakes and unplanned remakes, cutting waste while improving consistency. At the same time, margarine can be easier to work with in prep, especially when a recipe benefits from more structure and a more controlled melt, meaning the fat holds its shape and melts gradually instead of breaking down too quickly. For example, when baking cookies or cakes, margarine stays more consistent as you mix and bake, helping the batter hold its shape rather than spreading too fast. Beyond the basics, this isn't about which one is better. It's about choosing the right fat system for the job. Use margarine when you need structure, use LBA when you need speed, flavor, and consistent results. Visit venturafoods.com/cooking-oil to learn more.